please. I'm sorry for that. I won't do it again. Please, just give me a warning.
ଖ୍ରୀଷ୍ଟରେ ପ୍ରିୟ ଭାଇ ଏବଂ ଭଉଣୀମାନଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରଭୁ ଯୀଶୁଖ୍ରୀଷ୍ଟଙ୍କର ମଧୁମୟ ନାମରେ ମୋର ଆନ୍ତରିକ ନମସ୍କାର। ପ୍ରିୟ ଭାଇ ଏବଂ ଭଉଣୀମାନେ, ଜଣେ ବଜରଙ୍ଗ ଭକ୍ତ ବା ହନୁମାନ ଭକ୍ତ ଲଣ୍ଡନକୁ ଯାଇକି ସେ ଏମିତି କିଛି କାଣ୍ଡ କାରନାମା କରିଦେଇଛି, ସେଠାକାର ପୁଲିସ ୟାକୁ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ବୁଦ୍ଧି ଶିଖେଇଛି। ଆପଣ ତ ଜାଣନ୍ତି ବଜରଙ୍ଗ ଦଳ ଯେଉଁ ଲୋକମାନେ ଏମାନେ କ'ଣ, ଏମାନଙ୍କର କାମ କ'ଣ ଆପଣ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ଜାଣନ୍ତି। ଏମାନେ ଯେଉଁଠି ନା ସେଇଠି ପଶିଯିବେ, ଜୟ ଶ୍ରୀରାମ ନାରା ଲଗାଇବେ। ସେ ଚର୍ଚ୍ଚ ହେଉ କିମ୍ବା ମସଜିଦ୍ ହେଉ, ସେଠି ପଶିକି ଜୟ ଶ୍ରୀରାମ କହିବେ। ଏଇଟା ଏମାନଙ୍କର ହେଉଛି ପୁରୁଣା ଅଭ୍ୟାସ। ହଁ ପ୍ରିୟ ବନ୍ଧୁଗଣ, ଆଉ ଭାରତରୁ ଜଣେ ଯାଇଥିଲା ବିଦେଶକୁ, ଗୋଟିଏ ପୁଅ, ଆଉ ତା'ର ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ ଥିଲା ଯେ ମୁଁ ବିଦେଶକୁ ଯାଇକି ପାଠ ପଢ଼ିବି। କିନ୍ତୁ ସେଠାର ପାଠ ପଢ଼ିବା ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତେ ସେ ଏମିତି କିଛି କାଣ୍ଡ କାରନାମା କରିଦେଲା, ପୁଲିସ ୟାକୁ ଭଲରେ ଧୋଇଲା। ହଁ ପ୍ରିୟ ବନ୍ଧୁଗଣ, ଆଉ ସେ କ'ଣ କରିଥିଲା, ଆଉ ଇଏ ନାବାଳିକାମାନଙ୍କର ସହିତ ଇଏ ଛେଡ଼ଛାଡ଼ କରିଥିଲା। ତାଙ୍କୁ ଖରାପ ଟିପ୍ପଣୀ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଦେଇଥିଲା, ଖରାପ ଭାଷାରେ। ଆଉ ଇଏ ଭାବୁଥିଲା ଆମର ଇଣ୍ଡିଆରେ ତ ଚଳୁଛି, ଏଇଟା ଆମର ବିଦେଶରେ ବି ଚଳିବ। କିନ୍ତୁ ବିଦେଶରେ ତ ଏମାନଙ୍କର ଦାଦାଗିରି ବିଲକୁଲ ଚଳିବ ନାହିଁ, ଆପଣ ବି ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି। ତାପରେ କ'ଣ ହେଲା ନା, ପୁଲିସ ୟାକୁ ପୁରା ଉଠେଇ ନେଲା। ଉଠେଇ ନେଇକି ୟାକୁ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ବୁଦ୍ଧି ଶିଖେଇଲା। ଯେତେବେଳେ ପୁଲିସ ୟାକୁ କହିଲା, ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ କହିଥିଲା ଯେ ଆମେ ତୁମକୁ ଆରେଷ୍ଟ କରିବୁ ଯଦି ତୁମେ ଏସବୁ ବନ୍ଦ ନ କରିବ। ଇଏ ବଜରଙ୍ଗ ଭକ୍ତ ଉଲ୍ଟା ପୁଲିସକୁ ଧମକ ଦେଇଥିଲା, ପୁଣି ବିଦେଶରେ, ଯେ ତୁମେ ଏମିତି ବିଲକୁଲ କରିପାରିବ ନାହିଁ, କାରଣ ମୁଁ ମୋଦିଙ୍କ ଦେଶରୁ ମୁଁ ଆସିଛି। ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ପୁଲିସ ଆସିଲା, ତାକୁ ଘେରିଗଲା, ତାକୁ ସିଧା ଉଠେଇ ନେଲା। ଉଠେଇ ନେଇକି ଏମିତି ବୁଦ୍ଧି ଶିଖେଇଲା, ଇଏ ତାପରେ ପୁଲିସକୁ କ୍ଷମା ମାଗିବାର ଲାଗିଲା। ଏମିତି ବିକଳ ହେଇକି କ୍ଷମା ମାଗିଲା। ଆପଣ ତ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ କ୍ଲିପ୍ ଆପଣ ଦେଖିଲେ। ବଜରଙ୍ଗ ଦଳର ଏମିତି କାଣ୍ଡ କାରନାମାକୁ ନେଇକି ଆପଣ କ'ଣ ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି, କମେଣ୍ଟ କରିକି ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ଜଣାନ୍ତୁ। ତେବେ ପ୍ରିୟ ବନ୍ଧୁଗଣ, ଖ୍ରୀଷ୍ଟରେ ପ୍ରିୟ ଭାଇ ଏବଂ ଭଉଣୀମାନେ, ବଜରଙ୍ଗ ଦଳର ଏମିତି କାଣ୍ଡ କାରନାମା ବିଷୟରେ ଆପଣ କ'ଣ ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି, କମେଣ୍ଟ କରିକି ଆପଣ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ଜଣାନ୍ତୁ। ହଁ ପ୍ରିୟ ବନ୍ଧୁଗଣ, ଆଉ ଆଜି ପାଇଁ ଏତିକି। ପୁଣି ଭେଟ ହେବ ଆପଣ ସହିତ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଅଧ୍ୟାୟରେ। ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରଭୁ ଯୀଶୁଖ୍ରୀଷ୍ଟଙ୍କର ମଧୁମୟ ନାମରେ ମୋର ଆନ୍ତରିକ ନମସ୍କାର।
Please, I'm sorry for that. I won't do it again. Please, just give me a warning. I'm sorry for that.
Too late.
I didn't know the law. Please, I'm sorry.
No, on no.
Please, I'm sorry. Just give me the last warning, please. I'll do what. I'll delete that.
दोस्तों, इस देश में अंधभक्तों का आलम यह है कि अब विदेशों में जा जा करके गंध फैला रहे हैं। जी, मैं यही सही कह रहा हूं। आज जो मैं आपको वीडियो दिखाने जा रहा हूं, जो तस्वीरें आपको दिखाने जा रहा हूं, आप देख के और सुन के अपना माथा दीवार पे ना दे मारिएगा, बस इतनी अपील है। क्योंकि ऐसी जाहिलियत आप सिर्फ अंधभक्तों से ही एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं। एक मामला हुआ है विदेश में, विदेश की धरती पर, ब्रिटेन में। एक मोदी भक्त पढ़ाई करने गया था और वहां वो क्या क्या गुल खिलाने लगा नाबालिग बच्चियों को लेकर के, और उसके बाद जिस तरीके से उसको पुलिस ने धरा, तो कैसे वो नाक रगड़ने लगा, कैसे वो गिड़गिड़ाने लगा पुलिस के सामने, वो मैं आपको बताऊंगा। और किस तरीके से अचानक से वही व्हाट्सएप यूनिवर्सिटी का ज्ञान बघारने लगा वहां भी, और कहने लगा कि देखिए ये पूरा का पूरा मामला गड़बड़ हो जाएगा, कूटनीतिक दृष्टि से आप ये सब नहीं कर सकते। ज्ञान देने लगा पुलिस को, और पुलिस ने जो उसको उल्टा लपेटा है, तो भयंकर तरीके से गिड़गिड़ाता नजर आया। आपको दिखाता हूं वो सब कुछ, अभी मैं दिखाऊंगा।
I'm sorry, please, just
stop.
Give me a warning, please.
A warning? Look out the window. That's the police.
I won't do that again.
There's no warning.
I'm sorry for
Too
that.
late.
I won't do it. I won't.
Too
do it.
late.
Please.
How long is your visa? How long is your visa?
Next December. As
Next
soon
December.
As my course gets over.
Well, it's
How
just
long
been
have you
shortened to
been
4
here?
months, mate, because you're going home.
Please, please, please. I'm sorry for that. I won't do it again. I please just give me a warning. I'm
Too late.
sorry. I'm sorry for that.
Too late.
I didn't know the law. Please, I'm sorry. I'm
Look,
sorry.
I'm not the police. I'm just here to speak to you. The police are outside.
What is your room number again?
201
G
I.
I 201 I.
Yeah. I'm really very sorry.
I think you've just been evicted as well.
Huh?
I think you've just been evicted. This is student accommodation.
Yeah.
That means the students here.
How long have you been in this country?
4 months, 3 months.
Is that it?
I guess so. 3 months. I think I came here on September.
Have you ever
September.
met any children before?
No, not really.
What do you mean, not really?
I haven't seen any children before. Most of them have the same height as 5 feet. So I don't know what children who are.
That's how big this child was, wasn't it?
I don't know what's
You
the
said
difference.
to her, how big are you? She told you 5 feet.
Please, I'm sorry. I just give me the last warning, please. I know what. I'll delete the app even if
Too
you
late.
please.
There's no warnings. There is no warnings for child abusers.
I didn't do any child abuse.
This is
It's
child
online.
abuse.
It is.
You have raped the mind of a child.
I'm sorry for that. I'm really very sorry for that. I didn't know. I
You
didn't
did know because she told you
See
she
her.
was at school. She told you she was doing a school homework.
haven't
She
seen her.
told you she was 14. More than
I
once.
haven't seen her, please.
I know you haven't seen her,
Crocodile tears, look.
but this is online grooming, is what you've done to this child. You have groomed this child. She said, I'm 14. You said, oh, okay.
I thought it was just like she said it in a fluke because
Because you
no,
wanted to bring her back to your dorm room, didn't you?
no, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
I swear to God, I didn't.
It's pointless lying. The police will download your phone and they will get everything back.
You also messaged me first. As soon as I said I was 14, your reply was too big for you, and then you instigated a conversation.
I didn't know it was illegal to talk to. I'm really very sorry for that. I'm really very sorry for everything.
Unfortunately, sorry isn't going to cut it, mate.
Enjoy it, bro. Enjoy. Fucking hell, bro. Enjoy. These people are calling our name.